What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients for copywriting. Okay, so basically what you're going to do, two-step email process, two-step cold email process. Okay, step one sentence outreach. Okay, so this is just very like quick question, subject line should be like question or quick question, or I don't know, you get the idea, just something really quick. Okay, in the message body you should say you want to kind of just refer to the content on their website. So something like, is the content on your website up to date? Okay, or maybe, do you guys have a blog? Or maybe, I don't know, do you guys do guest posting on other blogs? Well, maybe that's dumb. But anyway, you get the idea. You want to just ask them something about their copy. Okay, and then when they respond, which most of the time when they respond, they'll probably say, they'll give some version of like no or yes, but, like, yes, it is up to date, but whatever, And then you hit them with the pitch, which is basically going to be something like, I don't know, let's move this over here actually. Don't want to look at myself. Pitch, I run a company, or, I can write copy that helps you convert more website visitors into buyers. When is a good time to set up a call? Okay, you can either do it that way, or you can write them a longer email that pitches them in a more like in-depth way, right? And gives them like a little bit more information about what exactly you're selling. You can do it either way, it's up to you. I personally prefer to write a longer email just because, if possible, I would like to close the sale through email and not actually have to get on the phone with anybody, just because I'm, I go abroad a lot and sometimes it's hard with the time change, and also it's easier to scale, when you're just sending out emails. Okay, so that is how you get clients for copywriting. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section.